How to organize your Google Drive with folders and labels. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to organize your Google Drive, then you can definitely create different folders and arrange the files into it properly. In order to do so, first of all, open any of your Google account and then open the drive. Next up, you have to create a folder. In order to do so, right click anywhere on the screen or create on the plus icon on the top left. Tap on new folder and then name it. After that, tap on the Create button. Next step would be organizing the different files into that folder. In order to do so, you have to select the files and the videos and the folders that you want to switch or move into the folder that you just created. In order to do so, just select any of it and tap on the three dots, or you could right click on the folder as well. After that, you have to click on this Organize option. Once you tap on Organize, tap on Move. It will now show you the name of the folder that you just created. Tap on the Move in that folder, and this way you have successfully organized the folders and files into your desired folder as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.